Good morning, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Justice. I hope you've had a great day and are ready to learn some more about the aw sound. We've been talking about how you say aw when you see a cute baby, puppy, kitty, cat, because they're all adorable. So right now, go get something to write with, pause the video, and then come right back to do some fun learning about the aw sound. All right, welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about what does it mean to be the middle. Medial sound is the middle. So let's practice. We've got a first cat. Could that be the medial? No, because it's the first one. Remember, medial means that there's the same on both sides, the same number of something. So when we're talking about sounds, or in this case, cats, we'd look at the second one. There's one cat to the left, three cats to the right. That is not the same. Let's look at this cat with the check mark on it. There are two cats to the left, two cats to the right. That means this one is the medial sound, and that's why I'm going to circle this kitty cat. All right, now let's talk about some more medial sounds. So let's take a look at the word hawk, or take a listen to the word hawk. Break it into sounds with me. H-A-W-K, hawk. What sound did you hear in the middle? What was the medial sound? You're right, was aw. Let's try another one. Long. L-A-ng. Long. What sound did you hear in the middle? Yep, I heard that ah. How about bag? B-A-G. Bag. What was the medial sound? You're right. Ah. How about paid? P-A-D. Paid. What sound was in the medial? Was the medial sound? A. How about yawn? Y-A-N. Yawn. What was the medial sound? Ah. You are right. How about start? St-R-T. Start. What sound was in the middle? You're right, the R sound. Let's try chalk. Ch-A-K. Chalk. The medial sound was ah. The next word is dog. D-A-G. Dog. Medial sound was ah. How about spool? Sp-oo-l. Spool. The medial sound was ooh. You guys are getting so good at this. Now let's take a look at some words. And let me erase it because I've had to video this a few times. But let's try this one. Let's practice. We know SM is sm, and we know AL is all. Small. What sound do you hear? What letters do you see making the ah sound? A and L right there. Yep. All right, let's try this one. Cloth. Cloth. And I see just an O making that ah sound there. How about this one? V. Alt. Vault. And I see an A and a U making that sound here. Here's another one. Thought. Thought. There's O and U again. Oops, I said O and U here. It was A-U here for vault and O-U for thought. And there's another silent G-H there. All right, let's move on. And we are going to do some writing. I thought I already erased this, boys and girls, but let's do the first word. The first word is bought. Bought. Well, wait a minute. We just read thought. So B is what letter? That would be a B. And then we have that ought. Ooh, it was an O and a U. And then we had two silent letters. What were they? G, H, and we had a T. That's the word bought. So pause the video for a second, and I want you to go ahead and write that 3 different times and read that word to yourself, bought. And maybe you could think of something that you've bought recently or your mom has bought at the store. Okay, our next word is going to be cause. Cause. K-aws. Let's write that K. We're at the beginning of a word, so it's probably going to be a C. And then we've got the aw, which this time is going to be an A and a U. Cause. Yep, that's going to be an S. And then we've got one more letter, but I don't hear anything. so it must be a silent E. This is the word cause. So I need you to go ahead and write that 3 times. You probably have to pause the video. I want you to read the word, write the word, and maybe try to use it in a sentence. Like the sun came out and it caused the temperature to be very warm that day. All right, so you're writing bought 3 times, caused 3 times. Now we're going to go down and do a sight word game. Oopsie. Let's see. All right, now what I need you to do is read these words faster than me. Are you ready? There's a lot of W words, so look carefully. Where, what, when, were, saw, are, is, see. Let's try one more time. Where, what, when, saw, were, see, is, are. Very good. All right. Now, boys and girls, we're going to read a book today. This book is called Meet Us All. And in this story, we're going to learn about a family and all the things that they can do or cannot do. Okay? So meet Paul. He can crawl, but he cannot talk. Meet my dog, too. I taught him how to shake his paw. Here is my Gramp. See the big fish that he caught. Here is my Mom. She can draw. She drew a fawn on the lawn. This is my Gran. See her yawn? She just made a shawl. Shawl is this sweater part right here she's got over her. Meet my sister Dawn. She is 5. She can sip her drink with a straw. This is me. My name is Sean. I can toss the plane I bought. I hope it will not get lost. And so some of the words that we learned and thought we heard with the aw sounds, spelled A-U-G-H, were taught and caught. Spelled with an A-W, we had paw and crawl. With an A-L, we had talk. And then with the O-U and a silent G-H, we had the word bought. All right, now I want you to go back. I'll point to the words and you read it out loud to yourself, to an adult, or take a video and send it to me. I would love to see you reading these books. Ready? Here you go. I hope you're reading. Can't wait to see these videos. Last page. Good job, boys and girls. All right, now let's go back and do some review here about practicing the sounds of digraphs. We have k, ch, sh, th, w. This is a chair. What initial digraph do you hear? So that would be the beginning sound. What do you hear at the beginning of the word chair? Yeah, ch. And when you write that, what 2 letters would you write? Yes, you'd write a CH for those 2 sounds. All right, now let's do some do some L blends for the beginning of words. Bl, cool, fl, gl, pl, sl. Now let's do some R blends. Br, cr, dr, fr, gr, pr, tr. All right. This is a saw. You can see here I've already written the word saw. S-A-W. What initial sound did you hear at the beginning? Yes, you heard S for S. All right. Let's go over some of our 3-letter blends. Scr, spl, spr, squ, str. And some ending blends. Nd, ng, nt, nkh. I'm sorry, nkh. So you guys, I hope you have a great day and you practice with some ah sounds and see if you can hear any words. Hear yourself say any words or someone else say some of those words. I'd love to see a video of you reading your book. You can just email it to me at Melissa, MELISSA .justice, JUSTICE @cobbk12.org. See you soon. Bye, guys.